All right, good morning, everybody. I have two special guests on the boat. You may have seen them on YouTube, but they definitely don't need any introduction. I have Julien and Suverine on the boat. They're both from the south of France, and I am very excited. I think Suverine had a follow. Anyway, sorry, I'm not paying attention to the video. But we're out here fishing for peacocks in Miami, and I'm very excited. Hopefully they can catch some big ones and a lot of fish. So I will see you in just a minute once we start catching some peacocks. I think it's a little, she needs to come a little bit more to the right.
Tu lances un peu plus sur la droite.
Un peu plus sur la droite.
Doucement.
Reel it slow. Oh, there it is. Look. She's hooked up.
Ouais.
Look, she's hooked up.
Finally.
Wow, beautiful fish. And we're gonna be smart and use the net. That's a good one, Savi. Hooked up, we got it on camera and everything.
Finally.
Oh, where's the boat going? Pull that way.
Sur le moteur. Fléchis tes jambes là. Tu vois? Tranquille. T'en as combattu déjà. T'en as pris.
Okay, yep, you're good. Good job, you're doing a good job.
Oh, tu fais des jolies.
Gorgeous fish.
Toi, tu laisses une longueur de temps.
C'est bon? Non, mais la longueur.
She is a professional. Here we go. Up.
Stop. Voilà. Wow.
Got him.
Non,
Got it.
Look, Savi is so excited. I'm so happy to see that. That's a good one.
Good.
Very good. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's one. Julien's hooked up. Let's see if Julien can stay hooked up. Don't lose him.
Yeah, the drug is better. Yeah, finally.
There we go. Finally got one in the boat.
The drug is better.
Yeah, much better.
I can hook them.
Yeah, drag was a little bit too loose this morning, so we made an adjustment, and it works very good now. He was ready. Good job, Julien.
Thank you, Captain.
Well, typical Florida weather.
Yeah.
But that's all right. My anglers they don't mind, and I love it.
It's nothing for us.
No complaints.
We don't feel the rain.
Perfect. Not everybody says that. So you guys watching my videos and you want to come fish with me, this is the standard I'm going to hold you to right here.
Now in France, it's 10 degrees maximum.
Oh.
Degrees Celsius. I don't know in Fahrenheit or how.
No, that's not warm.
But under zero for you.
Watch this pitch, guys. You see that? That is the new standard on this boat.
Non, là, tu vois, c'est pas sur ton nez.
Now it needs it on the left side of that post. That's where it's most aggressive. Julien got him. Savi's very angry with you. Stolen fish. Yep. He's barely hooked. Got him.
Still beautiful.
Okay, let's let him go.
Go back to your bed. Sorry.
She didn't even know it.
Tu vois, tu avais dit qu'il avait pris.
Eh ben,
I saw the line go on.
ben, je vais te sentir.
Mais non, tu sens pas la touche.
Eh ben, il est pas parti. Hein. Eh ben,
Look over here, Suverine.
Je suis-
She's
Regarde la
laughing.
caméra.
She's laughing.
et,
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
It's a very light, it's a strange color peacock.
tu préfères pas reculer ou
Non, non, non.
sortir?
Look, she's finessing. Pull to the right.
Sur la droite, là, laisse pas le tête. Il y a assez de recul.
J'ai assez de recul.
Oh no, pull.
Et alors, je contrôle.
Pull. This is a really nice one.
Mais bon, c'est le plus beau qu'on a.
And we got him. Look at that. That's a nice peacock. That's a big one. Awesome.
Wow, it's black.
Yeah, it's very
Black
dark.
color. Very dark.
All right, biggest fish of the day.
Okay.
Yeah, he looks ready.
Thank you.
Julian and Suverine, what do you think about peacock bass in Florida?
Yeah, we had an excellent moment with Captain Eric.
Awesome.
We enjoy. We have a good time, and that's cool.
Awesome.
That's the important is having fun, good time with friends,
Absolutely.
and fishing.
Fishing's good.
Yeah.
All right, what do you have to say, Suverine? Tell us something in French.
Je peux parler en français.
Good times with Captain
Eric?
Eric.
Tu peux parler en français.
Et je suis super contente.
Perfect.
She's so happy.
Well, my phone died in the middle of the outro, so just gonna wrap things up here. I had a ton of fun fishing with Julien and Sivi on the boat. I mean, first of all, guys, Sivi, she reset the bar for all anglers on the boat. I mean, she was so amazing. She's so focused and so intense. She's just so into it. I just absolutely had a blast getting her on peacocks, showing her how to pitch and flip the bait and when to set the hook, and just getting her on the fish that she came down to Florida, or they not came down, but came over. They flew across the Atlantic just to catch peacock bass and anything else that's willing to bite. So amazing. I had a lot of fun, but we're not done. We're gonna see them for round 2 in the Everglades. So I actually need to get my butt on the boat and get out there, pre-fish it so I can figure it out, because I haven't really been out there yet in the boat. So I'm gonna head out there in the next video, see what I can do, and see if I can figure something out for those guys, because they're really, really excited about getting out there, maybe seeing a couple alligators. So hopefully we'll be able to accomplish that for round 2. So until then, my name's Eric. If you guys want to book a trip, obviously head over to flobass.com, or you can message me on Instagram at flo.bass. If you have any questions, you want to go over anything, I'll definitely be more than happy to get in touch with you and put you on your bucket list fish or any other crazy stuff we've got going on in Florida. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.